Find the product of the following polynomials. Number 1, a square x plus 9. By using the square of binomial formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Identify natin yung a at saka yung b dito sa ating given expression. So yung a, ito yung x, yung b, ito yung 9. Then itong first and second term, atin lang i-multiply, then i-times natin sa 2. Ganito po. Next, simplify na natin. Kopyahin lang natin x squared plus, then multiply natin yung middle term. 2 times x times 9, that is 18x. Then itong 9 squared, ating i-multiply itself. Ito ay 81. So, ang final answer, x squared plus 18x plus 81. Next, number 2. By using the product of a sum and difference, multiply yung first term, then multiply yung second term. So, the final answer, x squared, then minus 49. 7 times 7 is 49. Next, number 3 and 4 is your turn. Comment your answer.